Oh man, guys, we've been slacking. So, all right, we did a marquee number yesterday, so that's $100 there. Then we did, we had our friend's event. We only took $200 from that, just to pay me and Lenise to just set up and shut down. So now we have an event today. We have two events today. One's back to back, so that's gonna be a little stressful for me. So we only have 30 minutes in between to switch everything over. Then I got a marquee number drop off, and then tomorrow we got church and another event. So another weekend. Let's see how much money we make this weekend, baby. Let's go. Ooh, it's starting to get hot, y'all. I'm already sweating. It's only 70 degrees right now. We actually put on our new gold shimmer. So let me know what you guys think. Now for their package, they only got the basic package. So the basic package is just chairs, tables, linen. We give them a centerpiece, but they ain't want it. We're gonna set up the Schaefer dishes back there. And it doesn't come with a throne chair, so we're just gonna give them some regular chairs to sit on over there. And that's about it. It's only supposed to be a baby shower from 12:30 to 6:30. And then we have an event at 8 o'clock. And I let them all come in early till like 7 o'clock. So that means they end at 6:30, and I gotta hurry up, switch everything over for the next event real quick. So having these table overlays is gonna make it kind of easy. We're just gonna put the white on, put the silver overlay on. The silver charger place already clean. The thing that may take the most time is maybe taking out the trash, sweeping up anything that needs to be swept up, and getting the people out. So hopefully, with it being a baby shower, they do it quickly and I ain't gotta worry about it. All right, y'all, so we finished up. The client should be coming anytime soon. So we're gonna head out. I mean, this is all they wanted. They want gold, they want silver, they wanted chairs. We got tables over there.
So we just left the studio, so that was one thing we did. We put the paper up because we got a client coming in at 2:30. We just finished put up with that. Now we about to go home for a little minute, relax a little bit. Let me see what time it is. Might not have much time to relax. Oh, it's 1:09. We got like an hour to relax, or maybe an hour and a half, and then we got to go back to. I have to go to a shoot, so I have my car at the hall. So I'm gonna go back to get my car, and then we're gonna be off to the races at my shoot, and then Ty's gonna be setting up the hall for somebody else's event, and that's what we got going on, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoying this journey with us, and we catch y'all a little bit later.
What's up, y'all? We did it. Me and my mother-in-law done fixed up the whole place. Ain't that right, Miss J? Anything you want to tell YouTube? You want to tell YouTube anything, Miss J?
Oh no, don't put me on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Y'all, so we finished up. We had the crew come through. And then, so this is, we set it all up in about an hour. Plenty of time before the next lady comes in. So, worked out good. So, yep. That's it, y'all. Going to pick up the marquee numbers, and then probably either headed home and letting Erica close up the shop, or we might go actually close up the shop. We haven't decided yet. Alright, y'all, I know we can't hear me, but we finished up for the day. We finished cleaning up the hall, and we heading home. Sorry we ain't got that much footage, so I might skip this video. I don't know.
No, we gonna put it in there. We still gonna use it.
But alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Check y'all later. What's up, y'all? It's a very hot day today, as you can see. But we gonna get through it. So today we just got church coming in. We already cleaned up last night, so church should be fine. And then we got an 8-hour day for an event at the hall. It's a wedding, so along with having everything run for the wedding, we're also doing the photography and videography. So it's gonna be a long day. So we're gonna make it work. So we here at the hall. Got my baby in the back. Gotta mop it up. Today is the big money day. We're trying to do a little extra mop, make sure the floor is good. Make sure you don't make it too soapy. Last time it was too soapy. But yeah, whatever you got, But we're trying to get it straightened up. So we got 2 hours, really an hour before they get here, but 2 hours before the event starts, the wedding. I really don't think they're gonna start all time. You know how weddings are. The second wedding here. We had one wedding here. It was barely anyone here. But this one, I think it might be more people. If not, we not gonna mind.